I really thought you were Spider-Man.
You thought I was?
Why do you have VR in your name if you're legit playing on a VR? We know you're playing on a VR headset.
I know.
My spider sensor is disconnected. Oh, mother.
Leave me alone.
Yeah, twin.
Oh, shut up, toxic kid. Shut up.
No.
Hey, you. You. You know I was recording when you were being toxic the whole time. I literally got it on video. Oh, dude, I'm gonna show it to the Discord. I'm gonna send it to the Discord. Yeah, now y'all are being quiet. Wow. I literally got 2 of these kids on camera now. They're like, same. Dude, these kids were being toxic. The red guy and the white. Red and white. Fred. Why? I got you on video. Why are you toxic?
Oh yeah. What?
Why are you toxic?
Hi, Darman fam. Hi,
But
Darman.
I was
fam.
literally just watching Darman.
Yo, who's Darman? Where's Darman?
Dude, there's no way you don't know who Darman is. I hope you like that message, and I hope you shave my beard.
You are so bad. Like, I didn't get to shoot you
Oh my
back.
god, that is so rude.
Hey,
But this,
Ben, I hope you like that message.
Oh my god, you're bad.
Hi,
I'm
Spider-Man.
literally gonna shoot you.
Hi, Spider-Man.
Hey, Darman fan, remember I hope y'all like that message.
Take care of your bug. Where is he?
dude.
Supposed to be paying child
Yo,
support.
why are you toxic?
Where's your bug? You're supposed to be paying child support.
Yo, that lobby. Oh my god. Dude. Bro. Yeah. Yo.
Oh my, no. Who knows me from TikTok?
Your turn.
Huh?
Who knows me from TikTok?
Not me. Because I'm recording a video, my guy. I don't know who the frick you are.
Får vi bara sitta uppe till 10? I gotta get up here. Like that. I'm pretty sure.
Okay. YouTube, the first part was seeing a toxic kid on. Yeah. And then that lobby was toxic. Look. Poop, 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 poop. Kids are annoying sometimes. Okay. Guys, yes, if you guys want to like and subscribe, and yeah, bye.